In the past, teachers would save their teaching materials on personal laptops, tablets, or USB drives. Before a class started, they had to connect their devices to the IFP to transfer files, and also had to adjust the IFP's brightness and other personal settings. This not only cut into class time, but also interrupted teaching flow. Account Management System is an online software tool developed by BenQ. It connects to teachers' personal clouds in advance while also remembering each teacher's IFP settings, so that every time a teacher logs into the IFP, they can access their files and personal IFP settings immediately. Setup takes just a few easy steps. First, log on to the AMS website. There, you can manage your IFP's personal settings, including apps, avatars, and screen brightness. Click the link button in Cloud Storage to pair your AMS account with a personal cloud storage account. Instead of saving each individual's account ID and password, BenQ uses OAuth technology to safeguard personal information. Teachers only need to connect their clouds to AMS once. Afterwards, they can use an NFC card to log into the IFP and access multiple personal clouds instantaneously. They'll never need to waste time entering a bunch of credentials in front of students. After class, they can simply log out and log in again in the next classroom. BenQ Account Management System, your thoughtful cloud teaching assistant.